In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to a Kit email. If you're using Kit, which was formerly known as ConvertKit, you might want to make your emails more engaging and fun by adding animated GIFs. They're great for drawing attention to a call to action, highlighting a special offer, or just adding a bit of personality to your message. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process, step by step, so you can confidently add GIFs to any email you send. First, open the email where you want to place your GIF. This can be either a broadcast, which is a one-time send to your list, or a sequence email, which is part of an automated series. Make sure you're in the email editor and that you've placed your cursor on a new line where you want the GIF to appear. It's usually best to give it a bit of space above and below so it stands out visually. On the left side of that new line, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the content menu. This is where you can insert different types of content into your email, like images, dividers, or other elements. From this menu, choose the image option. This tells Kit that you're about to add a visual element, which in this case will be your GIF. Once you've selected image, you'll have two main choices. You can upload your own GIF file from your computer, or you can browse for one using the built-in Giphy search tab inside the Kit library. If you're uploading your own GIF, check that the file size is under about 5 megabytes. Keeping it smaller helps your email load more quickly for subscribers and can improve deliverability, so your messages are less likely to land in spam. If you're using Giphy, just search for a keyword that fits the mood or message of your email, then pick the GIF that works best. After you insert the GIF into your email, click directly on it to open the settings in the right-hand sidebar. Here, you can adjust the size to make it larger or smaller, so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. You can also add a link, which is especially useful if you want people to click the GIF to visit a sales page, a sign-up form, or any other URL. Once you're happy with the size and link, you're done. Your GIF is now part of your Kit email and ready to send.